Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a follow-up email sequence inside Builderall Mailingboss step by step, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button right below this video. This channel is all about improving your online business, whether it's affiliate marketing, email marketing, sales funnels, building websites and other things, so you can take your business to the next level. Okay, let's get right into it. So I'm logged into my Builderall account, and when I go to the left and I click this Mailingboss autoresponder, it's gonna take me to a page from where can I access my Mailingboss account, and then I click this access Mailingboss. Okay, here we are. In order to create a new email sequence, you will need a list. In this case, we will use a list called Ready Detox, which is right here. If you don't know how to create a new subscribers list, I will put a link below so you can watch the video on how to do that. So let's go ahead and use this Ready Detox list. I'm gonna go to campaigns right here and then email sequence. Here we are gonna create new one. So let's hit this create new. And on this page we're gonna name it tutorial email sequence. Then we are going to choose list. So let's go ahead and choose this Ready Detox. You don't have to worry about this segment for now. And then we have to choose from this bar send to future subscribers only or send to current and future subscribers. So what does this mean is when you choose this second one, send to current and future subscribers, it means if you have, for example, 15 leads and you didn't send them any follow-up emails yet, and you create your new email sequence, you are able to send them those emails too. So we're gonna choose this one. Then save and edit sequence emails. Okay, now we are here. Right here you can see that this is our first email which is not activated yet. We can also delete it here. And here it says where is the best time to send this email. In this case we have 0 days, which means immediately. So this is our first email. We can name it, this is just for us. We can name it like first email of tutorial. On the subject line we can put like congrats, you are in. And then you can put the text like welcome to best Velos program. I'm really excited for you to being here on our journey to lose weight with Ready Detox. Okay, you can play with it as much as you want. You can add some pictures, so you go here left and on default click and choose images, for example, and you can drag and drop these images. If you click to this little photo, you can change the image, and also you can link it by clicking this link, and you can link it to, for example, www.google.com. Okay. When you're happy with your first email, let's make a second one. Click this plus add email. Now, as you can see, this is the second of the email sequence, so let's name it second email of tutorial, and for the subject we can put like this is the second email in a row. Then you can also play with the text. You can just drag and drop this text from here. As you can see on the left side, you have lots of options you can play with. So take your time and make it look nice. And if you're ready, this one, so we can add one more for the sequence. We will name it like third email of tutorial, and on the subject I will put this is the third email from us. So play with it and make it look nice. And now if you have your email sequence ready, we are gonna change the date and the time we are gonna send our emails to our customers. So this is the first one, which is already set up to deliver immediately. I can click this button right here, and as you can see, autoresponder event will be sent after subscribe. So when you get your new lead, they will automatically receive this message immediately. Save changes. Then we have the second email, and I click this one. I want to send this email like for 2 days after the first one, so I will change this to 2 days. Save changes. As you can see, it's that simple. And the third mail, I want to choose 4 days after they subscribe, so I'm gonna put here 4 and then save changes. Now as you can see, here is our first email, which is going out immediately. Here is our second email, which is going out 2 days after they subscribe, and here is our third email, which is going 4 days after they subscribe. In order to work, you need to activate them first. So let's just hit activate. And now we have ready our first email from our email sequence. And the second one we can activate as well. And then the third one. And now we are ready to send our emails. So if you get a new lead for Ready Detox list, you will automatically send them 3 emails. First one will be sent immediately, the second one will be sent after 2 days, and the third one will be sent after 4 days. So if you are satisfied with this, just scroll down and click done. And now this is our tutorial email sequence. As you can see, you can also see how many of these emails were sent, how many opened it, and how many clicked the links, if you provide any links in your text. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out the Mailingboss autoresponder, I will put a link below, so go ahead and check it out. Also, if you want to check Builderall, there will be a link as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button right below this video. It helps me know that you like this kind of videos and I can do more of them. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on the future content. If you guys do have any questions, just go ahead and comment below in the comment section. With that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.